Hey guys, I'm Kamya, the founder of KDOT, and we are India's first layerless clothing brand. I know how difficult it is for women to choose the right gym outfits because some gym outfits are not seamless, some gym outfits are just too uncomfortable to wear throughout gymming, some are polyester, some are ill fitted. So, what we did is made bodysuits which have built in pads, built in mesh shapewear, as well as snap buttons for ease in closure. So, we have basically combined all of it in just one layer clothing. So, this is a haul video for all our bodysuits priced under 2499, and you're also going to get a discount if you watch the video till the end. So, let's get started. The first one is our adjustable straps bodysuit. Now, this bodysuit's best part are these straps which are entirely adjustable according to your comfort. Also, these have built-in pads in them. It also has a light mesh fabric inside which is basically working as a shapewear, so it smooths you out while keeping you comfortable and giving you room to breathe as well. The color, you can see, it's so pretty and just goes so well with the grey pants. I think this is one of those outfits which is perfect for girls who are regular gymmers, are comfortable to carry deep necks as well. So I think this one would be perfect for them. Next up is our full sleeves black bodysuit. Now this is my personal favorite because it can literally be paired with any color of pants or any shorts or any skirts, anything that I have in my wardrobe. I have paired it with my brown pants. I think it looks absolutely chic. Also, the best part about these is that it's full sleeve, so I don't need to worry about my heavy arms. Also, even though it's full sleeve, since it's made of pure nylon and very buttery, soft, thin fabric, it doesn't feel hot at all. Even when I'm sweating while gymming, it doesn't feel like the sweat is coming on the bodysuit. It doesn't feel itchy or no chafing is happening. Next up is the brown bodysuit, and you can see the color is to die for. It's just so pretty, guys. I've paired it with a pleated skirt. This is for all the girlies who love to play pickleball, paddle and badminton. I think it's the perfect outfit for that. The fabric, you can see, it's just so smooth and soft. It just literally glides on your body and it gives you that very seamless finish. Also, all our bodysuits are available in sizes XS up till 4XL. So even if you're a heavy busted girl, even if you are cup size G, it will fit you and it will support your bust. Next up is the same adjustable straps but in red color. I think this cherry red color is very in right now, and I think this is that one color which actually suits all skin tones. That is why we made this color specifically. So I'm going to show you three versions of wearing this. One is that you can just wear it as it is. Second is that you can wear a jacket over it, and I think the whole outfit has turned out to be so nice. Third is that if you're not comfortable with deep necks, you can also wear a sports bra inside, so it will give you an even better look. You can just remove the pads and see, such a nice outfit. You can see it's a very stretchable bodysuit. Also, the fabric is super soft, guys. It's actually butter. The best part about all these bodysuits is the shapewear material we have used. We have used a mesh nylon fabric, and this has pores in them. So these small pores are basically what makes it so breathable, and you don't feel like you are just, snugging inside the bodysuit. And then comes the one which is also the favorite of a lot of K-Dot girlies, which is the half sleeves bodysuit. I think half sleeves bodysuit is something which is very versatile because you can even wear it for office and you can wear it as your gym outfit. I am wearing it with these olive green pants, and I think this looks amazing. I also once wore it for rock climbing, as you can see, and I was absolutely killing it. This again comes up with built-in pads, built-in mesh shapewear. It's half sleeves. It fits right on your arms. It actually takes the shape of your arm and it doesn't feel too tight or too loose. This also has snap buttons at the bottom, so you don't have to take the entire thing off. You can just open it and use the washroom. And yes, guys, so we have come to the end of our haul. So if you guys liked our bodysuits, then I'm going to share a special coupon code for you. Use code KYOUTUBE and you will get a very special discount. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a lot of fun wearing these in the gym, and I hope you guys to see you again.